everyone, grab your comfy pillows and let's get started on story time. Today's story is another book that I read when I was little. So this week we read If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, and today we are going to read If You Give a Pig a Pancake. Oh, those pancakes smell so yummy. Do you like to eat pancakes? What do you like to put on your pancakes? I think Pig likes syrup. What do you like to put on yours? Yummy. I like to put raspberry or cherry jam on my pancakes. But I also have a few friends who don't like pancakes at all. One of my friends only likes to eat waffles. She says no pancakes for me. Another one of my friends likes to eat bagels and bagel sandwiches. They don't like pancakes either. My other friend loves to eat cereal, especially Cheerios, for breakfast. I have 3 friends who don't like pancakes. We're all unique, and we all have different taste buds. Those are the things on our tongues that tell us if we like something or don't like something. Let's see how Pig likes their pancake. If you give a pig a pancake. Whoa, I dropped the book. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky, so she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles, bubble baths. When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask for a toy. You'll have to find a rubber duck. Hey, it's Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. When you take a bath, do you like to make a bubble bath? You do? When you take a bath, do you also like to have toys in it? When I was little, I did too. I'm pretty sure I had a doll whose hair changed color when her hair touched the water, and I think she swam in the bathtub too. It's pretty cool. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. When you feel homesick, you miss your home and you feel a little sad. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Then she'll look underneath your bed. When she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on, of course. She'll probably need something special to wear them with. Oh, she's throwing all the clothes everywhere. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she'll start dancing. Then she'll want you to take her picture. So you'll have to get your camera. Whoa. Pig, you're holding so many things. You're so strong. That's a lot of stuff. When she sees the picture, look, she'll ask you to take more. Then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. That's a lot of pictures. You'll have to give her some envelopes and some stamps. So she's going to put her pictures, her photographs, inside of an envelope, put a stamp on it, and mail it to a friend. And you'll have to take her to the mailbox. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. She'll want to build a tree house. Look at all of those letters. she's going to send a lot. So you'll have to get some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the treehouse is all finished, she'll want to decorate it. She'll ask for some wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she'll probably ask for a pancake to go with it. The end. In this story, I saw that Pig had pancakes twice. It made me think, I want a pancake too. So I'm going to use the recipe down in the description box. Down in the description. You can use it too. To go make some pancakes for breakfast tomorrow. I think I might put some syrup on it just like Pig did. But I also saw, not only did Pig eat pancakes, Pig also sent a lot of letters. And that made me think about all the friends that I miss that I'm not able to see right now. So I found an envelope. And I'm going to mail this to my friend who lives in New York City. I have a special card just for them. I'm going to put it inside my envelope. Close it. Make sure there's a stamp on it. And I'm going to mail it to them. Do you have a friend or a family member that you miss a lot and you're not able to see right now? You do? Maybe you could write them a letter, just like me and Pig do. If you don't know how to write yet, that's okay. You can draw them a picture, you can paint them a picture, or maybe you go on a walk and you find a really special leaf. Put the leaf inside, send it to them, and just let them know that they're loved and that you miss them. What I like to do before I put my card, my envelope inside a mailbox, I give it a really big hug. I give it lots of love. I go, And then I say, get to my friend safely. And I, bloop, put it inside the mailbox. So this weekend, I'm going to make some yummy pancakes. I'm so excited. And I'm also going to mail a letter to a friend. I also think I'll mail some letters to the fireflies as well. Okay. Let me know if you mail out letters or pictures to friends this weekend too. And especially if you make pancakes. Send me a picture. I'd love to see all that you do this weekend. That has to do with if you give a pig a pancake. Okay. Bye everyone. Thanks for reading with me today.